Start.
Hello and good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do English. In English, we are going to learn patterns. What are patterns you know? In patterns, we learn different strokes which helps us in writing cursive letters. Look, can you see? There are some patterns drawn on the board like slipping line, curve, slanting line. You have already been learning these patterns, these types of strokes in junior KG. Okay, now we will be learning cursive writing in senior KG with the help of these patterns. For this, you need to take out this book. Have a look. Look, this is Vikas Apple cursive small letters. This book is available in your book set. You have to take out this book and have to turn on page number 2. I will show you. This is your page number 2. One thing you have to always remember while doing patterns is either while writing cursive that you can't lift up your hand while writing cursive. आप जब भी cursive लिखते हैं तो जब आपने लिखना शुरू किया तभी आपका हाथ बीच में से उठ नहीं सकता, तो आपको हमेशा ये चीज याद रखनी है. Now we will start doing patterns. So students, this is page number 2 of your English cursive book. We will do patterns today. Can you say this? Patterns are given over here. You always have to remember, as I said before, you can't lift up your hand while doing patterns. Look, the dots are given over here. First of all, you need to trace these dots. It's standing line, U. 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 In this way, you have to trace till end. Tracing will make it easier for you to write cursive. Once you have finished tracing, then you will have to write down the pattern by yourself in the next line. I'll show you how to do it. First of all, make a standing line, U. Again a standing line, U. 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 Look students, I am not lifting up my hand. मैं अपना हाथ बिल्कुल उठा नहीं रही हूँ. Continuous मेरा हाथ पैटर्न पर ही है. Okay? Standing line, U. Standing line, U. This is the way you have to complete till this last point. So our first pattern is complete. Now we move on to the next pattern. Next pattern is like उल्टा यू की पैटर्न है. ये आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे जो डॉट्स दिए वो कैसे लग रहा है, जैसे एम है, स्मॉल है, एम है या फिर उल्टा यू. देखिए, स्टैंडिंग लाइन उल्टा यू, 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 standing line ulta u, standing line ulta u. This way you have to trace till the end. Once you have traced it, then you will go to the next line and do it by yourself. It is standing line ulta u, 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 standing line ulta u. Understood? Okay, so you have to finish it till here. Now we move on to the next pattern. These two patterns we did in the two blue lines. Next pattern we will be doing in this 3 lines. We will be using 3 lines, 2 blue lines and the above pink line. Next pattern is like cursive L. Okay, it is cross line, go up till the first pink line, take a turn, standing line. cross line, turn, standing line, 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 cross line, turn, standing line. Okay, kids? Now, we have already traced this pattern. Now, we will write it by our own. It is cross line, turn, standing line, cross line, turn, standing line, cross line, turn, standing line. Look, my cross line is touching the above pink line. Cross line, turn, standing line, 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 cross line, turn, standing line. Okay? Understood? Now we move on to the next pattern. Next pattern is like, it is like cursive E. Look, it is cross line, E, 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 cross line, E. Okay? So you have to finish your tracing till here again. Then go to the next line and we will write it by ourselves in this line. It is cross line, E, 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 cross line, E. Okay, understood? So, now we will move on to the last pattern of today. It is, look how it is formed. It's like, first of all, it is cross line, take a turn, a small circle, again make a cross line, take a turn, again a cross line, take a turn, cross line, go down, 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 take a turn. Okay, understood kids how I am doing it? It's already traced now. Now we will write it by ourselves. Look, it is cross line, go down, take a turn again, make a cross line, go down, take a turn, 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 cross line, go down, take a turn. Okay? Understood? So, today we have already finished the page number 2 in our English workbook. Try these patterns at home. That would make it easier for you to write cursive letters. Okay? So students, आपको मजा आया पैटर्न्स करने में? कितने इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं ना पैटर्न्स? तो जितना मजा आपको पैटर्न्स करने में आया ना, उतना ही मजा आपको कर्सिव राइटिंग में भी आएगा. तो पक्का आप घर पे ये प्रैक्टिस करना. ठीक है? हम लोग मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. तब तक स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम. बाय बाय.